You wash your hands, bundle up, and still catch every cold that goes around. But what if the real problem isn't outside your body, it's deep inside your gut? 70% of your entire immune system actually lives inside your digestive tract. Today, we are zooming in to see what really happens inside your gut when you get sick. Your gut is not just a place where food gets broken down. It is a command center. Deep inside your intestines, there is a massive network of immune cells guarding your body. Think of it as the largest security force in your body, all stationed inside your gut. Trillions of bacteria line your gut walls, and they help train your immune cells every single day. Your gut lining is also a barrier, blocking harmful germs from sneaking into your bloodstream. When this system breaks down, it is not just digestion that suffers. Your whole body feels it. So what is actually breaking down this defense system? Let's zoom in on 3 hidden culprits. The first one is something most people eat every single day: processed sugar. Research suggests that excess sugar feeds the harmful bacteria living inside your gut. As those bad bacteria grow, they push out the good ones and weaken your gut's protective lining. Over time, this triggers gut inflammation, making it harder for immune cells to do their job. The second culprit is one you might not expect. It is chronic, everyday stress. When you are stressed, your body releases cortisol, and that hormone disrupts how your gut works. Cortisol slows down digestion, changes the mix of bacteria, and weakens the gut barrier. That means your immune system gets weaker signals from your gut exactly when you need it most. And the third culprit is actually something designed to help you. It is antibiotics. While antibiotics fight infections, they also wipe out many of the good bacteria in your gut. Without enough friendly bacteria, your gut needs time to rebuild, and your immunity drops in between. These 3 culprits work together, quietly weakening your gut's ability to protect you. But here is where it gets really serious. What happens when the damage goes on for years? When your gut barrier stays weak, tiny gaps can form between the cells that line your intestines. Through those small gaps, bacteria and toxins can leak directly into your bloodstream. Your immune system then goes on high alert, attacking everything it sees as a threat. This constant state of alert creates chronic low-level inflammation throughout your body. Your gut also makes a special antibody that acts like a shield, blocking viruses before they spread. When gut bacteria are out of balance, your body produces less of this antibody, leaving you more exposed. Published research has linked poor gut health to a higher chance of catching infections more often. Some studies even suggest a connection between long-term gut damage and a higher risk of autoimmune issues. A damaged gut has also been linked to mood changes, low energy, and even brain fog. Your gut and brain are constantly talking to each other through a pathway called the gut-brain connection. When inflammation disrupts that connection, it can affect your sleep, your mood, and your energy levels. The good news? Your gut is resilient. Science shows there are real ways to help it recover. So what can you actually do to strengthen your gut and rebuild your immune defense? Let's look at 5 things that research suggests may help restore and protect your gut health. Number 1. Eating a wide variety of fiber-rich foods. This is one of the most powerful steps. Fiber acts like fuel for your good gut bacteria, helping them grow stronger and more diverse. The more types of fiber you eat, the more types of helpful bacteria you support inside your gut. Vegetables, beans, and whole grains are all excellent sources that your gut bacteria love. A diverse diet means a diverse microbiome, and that means a stronger immune system overall. Number 2. Fermented foods. These are some of nature's best tools for gut health. Foods like yogurt, kimchi, and sauerkraut contain live bacteria that may benefit your gut. Studies suggest these live cultures can help replenish the friendly bacteria that your gut needs. They may also help strengthen the gut barrier, making it harder for harmful substances to get through. Adding just 1 serving of fermented food each day may start shifting your gut bacteria for the better. Number 3. Managing stress. Remember, stress and your gut are deeply connected. Research indicates that deep breathing and meditation can help calm the signals between your brain and gut. A special nerve called the vagus nerve connects your gut and brain like a direct phone line. Slow breathing and mindful habits may help activate this nerve, reducing stress and supporting better digestion. Have you ever noticed that a bad night of sleep leaves your stomach feeling off the next day? Number 4. Quality sleep. Your gut bacteria actually follow a daily rhythm, just like you do. When you do not get enough rest, studies show that your gut bacteria diversity can actually decrease. Less diversity means fewer defenders inside your gut, which may leave you more vulnerable to infections. Aiming for 7 to 9 hours of consistent sleep supports a healthier, more balanced gut environment. And number 5. Regular movement. You do not need intense workouts, just consistent activity. Studies show that moderate exercise can increase the diversity of bacteria in your gut. Walking, swimming, or cycling all help keep food moving through your gut and improve nutrient absorption. Now let's put it all together into a simple plan to start supporting your gut health. Start small. In your first week, try adding 1 serving of fermented food to your daily meals. The following week, increase your fiber intake by adding more vegetables, beans, or whole grains. In week 3, add a simple stress-reducing habit, like 5 minutes of deep breathing before bed. Make sleep a priority. Try going to bed and waking up at the same time each day. Add short daily walks or light exercise. Even 20 minutes a day can make a difference for your gut. The key is consistency. Small changes done every day add up to big improvements over time. You do not need to change everything at once. Pick 1 step and start there. Listen to your body. If something feels off, your gut may be trying to tell you something. And if your symptoms are serious or do not improve, always talk to your healthcare provider. A doctor who knows your full health history is always the best source of personalized guidance. So let's quickly recap what we've learned today about your gut and your immune system. Your gut holds 70% of your immune defense. How you live directly shapes it. By feeding your good bacteria, managing stress, and getting quality rest, you support your whole body. A healthier gut starts with understanding how it works. And now, you have that knowledge. If this opened your eyes, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe for more.